How to fix close any bubbles or overlays from other apps, then try again. So if you want to fix close any bubbles or overlays from other apps and then try again problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your settings at first. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps section. From here, you need to go with permissions and you need to tap on permissions again. Scroll down, go with notification section. Under notification, tap on floating, and under floating notifications, you just need to simply go and turn off these floating notifications. Or under the additional settings or under the permissions, you may also have appear on top option. So if you have appear on top, then you just need simply go with that option and then turn off the appear on top option for the applications. After disabling the floating icons, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.